A vast number of people nowadays have absolutely no idea of the serious danger that high blood sugar can represent. The worst thing of all is that many people today are experiencing blood sugar problems and they haven't even realized it yet. It turns out that our diets, the way we live, our sedentary lifestyle, and spending all day without any exercise are gradually building up an atomic bomb inside our bodies, which leads to complications and consequences that are truly severe. So in today's video, I will discuss the most serious consequences of having high blood sugar in your body and how you can naturally and effectively reverse this health problem. A warm greeting to all. I am Dr. Agustin Landivar, naturopath, acupuncturist, conventional doctor, and founder of drlandivar.com. On this channel, as a conventional doctor, I treat my patients using natural medicine, homeopathy, and acupuncture before resorting to pharmaceutical drugs. Therefore, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hit the little bell down below to get notifications and be the first to see the new video. If you need an online consultation or quality supplements for your condition, visit drlandivar.com and stay until the end of the video, where I will share tips and related videos on this topic. On many occasions, doctors have been heard saying, "Beware of high blood sugar." The problem is that we have very little time to explain to the patient that this very same sugar that is currently elevating within their body right now can potentially lead to significant kidney damage, serious circulatory issues, neuropathic conditions, and even severe memory impairment, along with all sorts of other conditions that truly make sugar one of the absolute worst ingredients we can possibly consume today. The worst thing about all of this is that many people suffer from diabetes, or perhaps they don't even have the condition yet, but they have elevated blood sugar levels, and they don't realize the serious danger that they are facing because they are doing absolutely nothing at all to reverse it. So in today's video, we're going to discuss the most dangerous consequences of having high blood sugar and how you can reverse this health problem naturally and effectively. Before we continue, don't forget that on drlandivar.com, there are supplements for you to help lower your sugar, which is so important. And many people don't do it because they don't understand the seriousness of the issue. Find Metaglucose, Applizer, or Metathyroid Definer at drlandivar.com. With that said, don't forget to like the video and then we can continue. Number 1, blindness. Yes, my friends, high blood sugar can lead to blindness. And unfortunately, many people are simply unaware of this. The worst part is that this vision loss occurs very gradually through a condition called retinopathy, which is caused by consistently high sugar levels. Individuals who don't manage their blood sugar, whether they have diagnosed diabetes, prediabetes, or simply an underlying metabolic issue, their eyes gradually suffer damage. Interestingly, high blood sugar can slowly damage the eyes and lead to blindness in patients who don't treat their condition or control their sugar levels. However, there's good news. If you stop this condition early with a treatment as simple as reducing your sugar intake, these problems can be reversed. Now, if you have diabetes, your sugar is high and you don't control it and you think, "I have no symptoms, nothing hurts, nothing will happen." Be careful, because little by little, sugar destroys your body internally without you even realizing it. If you are in need of a high-quality supplement to help reverse any eye problems that might arise due to sugar damage, then make sure to look for Visophar Definer at drlandivar.com. Number 2 on our list is atherosclerosis. So what exactly is atherosclerosis? Atherosclerosis is a hardening or a narrowing, meaning the arteries and veins that carry blood to the heart, brain, kidneys, limbs, feet, hands, and the entire body become constricted. It turns out that the higher the sugar level, or the more uncontrolled it is, little by little, the circulation of patients who have it hardens and gets damaged. If you have sugar problems or don't even know you have them yet, but you're not exercising, not eating healthy, and doing whatever you want, living life as if there were no problem, be careful. It turns out that an increase in your blood sugar will cause a significant decrease in the blood flow to your brain, to your heart, and to your extremities, and this will inevitably lead to very serious health problems later on. You need a quality supplement that can help control sugar to reverse or prevent these problems of atherosclerosis and poor circulation. Look for OnCardio, Vein Flow, and Heart Excel from Finland at drlandivar.com. Number 3, nerve damage. Oh, the sheer number of individuals experiencing nerve damage and completely unaware of it is truly astonishing. Neuropathies are medical conditions where the delicate nerves can become severely damaged because sugar, rather than providing essential nourishment to the nerve cells, is instead building up within the body without being properly utilized. This can happen with people who have metabolic problems, whose relatives perhaps have diabetes or prediabetes, or with patients with that disease who don't control their sugar, whose nerves obviously cannot nourish or heal themselves daily. What I suggest is that you be very careful with nerve damage, because if you experience or feel cold, heat, numbness in your hands, tingling, and other very strange body sensations that you don't understand where they might be coming from, it's very possible that you are suffering from high blood sugar. This can occur more often, quite obviously, in individuals who are struggling with excess weight, who consume a diet that is truly unhealthy: canned goods, jarred items, prepackaged meals, everything that is directly related to, specifically, high sugar levels and a poor metabolic state. If you are in need of a quality supplement that can help you to repair the nerve damage that may exist due to high sugar levels, and at the very same time can also help you with this condition, then look for Neuromatrix and Metaglucose Definer at drlandivar.com. Number 4 on our list is chronic kidney disease. A lot of individuals are quite fearful of developing serious kidney issues, but what most people don't realize is that the initial damage is actually caused by sugar. When the amount of sugar in our bloodstream elevates, that is when the kidneys begin to suffer damage. It turns out that our sugar can lead to poor circulation within the kidney, or the kidney itself can become inflamed internally, causing damage that is irreversible. In this particular case, just so you are aware, renal damage is significantly more common in diabetics than in any other patient population that exists globally, and therefore, it is crucial to manage your sugar intake. You must be very careful that your feet aren't swelling, that your face, your appetite, or perhaps symptoms of kidney damage aren't appearing. What I suggest again is to start getting a little daily physical activity. Don't eat too much sugar. Replace your sugar with stevia. Get exercise. Don't lead a sedentary life. Prepare your body to be able to consume sugar, and your kidneys will live happily ever after. If you need a quality supplement to repair or help improve kidney health, look for Uriescence and D-Berry from Finland at drlandivar.com. Number 5, heart disease. Many people don't realize that when blood sugar rises, circulation gets damaged, but even more serious is that the tiny circulation within our heart gets progressively damaged. It turns out that the most challenging patients to treat when facing a heart problem are those with diabetes. If your sugar goes up, your defenses drop. If your defenses drop, all sorts of circulatory and other bodily problems also begin to appear, and one of them is related to your heart. What I suggest you do is to start improving your heart health again, lower your blood pressure, regulate your sugar, and use a supplement that can help you. Number 6, amputations. Doctor, but you're really going a bit too far with this, aren't you? How can you tell me that my leg will be amputated because my blood sugar is high? I tell you, yes, it's something very common that's seen every day in hospitals, and curiously, nobody talks about it. When blood sugar rises, it damages your circulation. Gradually, circulation in the toes, and especially the fingers of the hands, starts to become obstructed, and little by little, this progressively reduces the supply of nourishment to the limbs, specifically the digits that critically require both oxygen and essential nutrients. It is at that critical moment when any small cut or any damage to the skin can quickly result in a dangerous infection, which could then potentially lead to severe gangrene, and the attending physician will have absolutely no other option, no other remedy available except to amputate a finger, amputate a foot, or amputate a leg. So please exercise extreme caution regarding sugar. Sugar is absolutely no laughing matter. It is not something that should ever be taken lightly, and please verify that you are not suffering from diabetes or dealing with dangerously high blood sugar. You must do everything possible to bring it under control, even before you know for sure if you have this problem or not. And don't forget to follow the channel, sharing it with your friends so they can stay informed on the topic. If you have any doubts or questions, leave your comment below, and I'll gladly reply. If you need quality supplements for your condition or an online consultation, visit drlandivar.com. And right here in the study of these other videos I recommend, you'll find valuable information that can help you prevent a serious illness in the future. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.